Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through Clarendon. We are on the main road that takes us from Old Harbour to, actually the main road, this is the Maypen bypass. It takes us from Maypen all the way to Manchester. So we are on the outskirts of Osborne Store, and we're going to be driving into the community or toll gate now, or driving through the community. But we are on the main road that takes us from Maypen to Mandeville. And as we said, we're now entering the toll gate area. And this area takes us all the way to the boundary with Manchester. So this is where you call toll gate Clarendon. Now the most popular location in this area is probably Murray's Jerk Chicken Stop. It's a restaurant. We'll point it out when we get there. Very popular. They sell jerk chicken and they sell curry goat and everything you need. It's a nicely set up facility. And also in this area you have the Juicy Patties head office. And they make the patties there and distribute them right across the island. So this is toll gate in Clarendon. On the left you can see the sign that says Milk River. It's a very popular mineral bath in Jamaica, but it used to be, I'm not sure if it still operates, but it was the most popular, or one of the most popular mineral baths in Jamaica. There was another one in St. Thomas called Bath Mineral Bath basically, and that one had a hotel on the compound as well, and I know that one still operates. I'm not sure if Milk River still operates, but those two were the most two popular ones in Jamaica, or are the most popular ones in Jamaica. If anybody knows if the Milk River or Mineral Bath still operate, you can leave a message in the comment section below. Coming up on the right now is the Murray's Jerk Chicken Center. Just take a quick look. And it's about 12:30 in the day, and you can see the traffic over there. Okay, so this is basically what it looks like. Very popular location, and this look, it's open till like 10-11. In the weekdays it's open till 10:30, then 11 o'clock on the weekends. Very popular, and the food is very nice. Subscriber had left a comment that said we like to big up or emphasize the foreign brands, and so we must focus more on the local restaurants and brands. So there you go, we're focusing on the local ones more, and we really appreciate the feedback. And we learn a lot in the feedback too, and we use that information in future videos. So we welcome the feedback and the comments. As you can see, this location, it's a very busy road. I mean, it's the main road between Clarendon and Manchester and Mandeville. So it's very busy. So it's very hard to get in and out of here. So we just have to wait patiently until we can come out. You see a car overtaking. You know how dangerous that is to overtake at a spot like this. Oh boy. See another one overtaking. Oh my gosh. And people know that another one overtaking at this location. Boy, I tell you. Wow. Alright, this looks like us now when these two cars pass. There we go. Let's make sure this road is in. There we go. Alright, as you can see, it's a very nice location, well set up, nicely laid out, and it's at a very busy location. You saw the amount of cars passing by just for us to get in and out. Alright, so now we're coming up to the Juicy Patties location. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.